This is the big day. Wow, look at this turnout. And we still got people coming. I guess that was probably a little too fast of a pan, but wow, look at this. What a successful turnout. So, wow, Sue's already signing people up. Let me see if I can test this Zoom and get a close-up of Sue signing somebody up. I can probably read their name and everything. Got Steve over there. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is, look at this Zoom. Wow. For the record, this is a brand new camera and I'm still getting used to it. Wow. Now this is a hoedown.
Well, today we have actually no. All right, so then when we were I didn't
Find Pamela. She lives in your area, and she says, "Oh, I told her you." Yeah, I told her you were from there. Yeah. It was a fluke. I met her in Whole Foods.
You don't live in Jupiter.
I know, but I work there. I'm there all the time. That's why I had to buy a Prius.
Well, what's interesting too is, I told you I'm probably going to be going to school in Portland. I'm staying for.
Good.
Yeah, I'm staying.
Good.
So I want to really.
Well, I knew you were, so
yeah.
You guys can start hooking up, and because you know what?
See her, yell at me.
I'm gonna find her. She was here a minute ago, and I'm gonna hook you guys up.
She's from Jupiter.
Yeah, she lives. She lives in Jupiter. That's great. And
that's got to be one of the furthest away, I would think, to here.
Let me think. Yeah, probably.
We're the only nuts.
Probably so.
How many miles is Jupiter?
It's about 65 miles from my house, but I'm actually a little south of here.
It took
So.
me just like an hour and 10 minutes.
Did you come up and get off at 60? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I just got on the Jupiter that Donald Ross 95 and then exited 60 and it was easy.
Yeah.
Good direction.
Yeah. Well, that was Sue's directions. So
Yeah.
I've kind of.
I thought there would be like maybe 20 people.
No, there's actually more than I think we were even anticipating. So I was figuring about 100.
Is there any limit to the amount of people you're taking there?
We don't want to discuss limits at this point. We have pretty much an unlimited area to farm. I mean, I don't want to say unlimited. Right now, we've arranged for a 600-foot row and it's 20 feet wide, which we can break down into. Yeah, it's right down the road here, up on the left. And maybe at some point it might make sense if people want to see where it's, stuff is growing. I'm wondering if I'm filming all of this.
It'll be interesting for later.
Oh, I'm recording again. Ooh, I see a job for zoom, tight, wide, and that's really all you need to know.
That's what a 6x5 camera I could put over the TNW system, so it's like cool. Now I know.
So, and this stops it. Just put your hand up in there and walk around. Just get all kinds of pictures. And
I'm recording, man. Oh my God.
Okay, so all day long, Brian has been working so hard. Get that started because he feels that probably teenagers want to get moving around. So, what it is the White Rabbit Boot Camp Obstacle Course.
Adventure race.
Okay,
I do have a towel if you
and
guys
there
want
is
to
a prize.
Justin did?
Yep, well, what I had in mind was a short race with, we'll put out two-person teams.
Short race.
Short race, two-person teams. Kind of loose every 30 seconds. There's there'll be a time event. And everybody and anybody's welcome to participate. We just need to pair up the teams so that it's somewhat evenly matched. We don't want little guys that can't get
race.
Okay.
She's gonna tell us what
Well, anybody who's interested, walk this way.
you should tell us first.
Okay? Come on, if anybody's interested, walk this way.
Yeah.
Justin, where's Noah? How are you feeling out, Mark? How are you going?
Go see with him.
Are you going over there?
Are we gonna race?
We racing?
Mark gave me a job. I can't.
I'll walk with Caitlin. I'll assist Caitlin. Here.
I'll tape the race. I'll tape it.
I'll clip him.
It depends on what kind of race. I may back out.
Oh, you were trying to hang out at the car?
I'm not gonna race. I'll tape it.
Okay,
Like you have the
tie out the end of the ladder so they don't flip up. Come off that trailer, hand over hand, hang it from the ladder. Two people go at the same time. If somebody can't make it, as soon as their teammate gets done, hits the ground, they go back and help them. All right? Back of the trailer, okay? Hand over hand, like this. Like a
What do you have to do?
down the ladder, right?
What do you have to do?
Monkey bars on the ladder.
So if one guy's
What if the ladder like falls?
do it, the other person, whoever finishes first, can go back and help his buddy. Like, put his feet on his shoulders.
Whoever gets to the end first.
You got to finish. Both people have to be done. You've
got to be kidding me.
Don't just wreck the baby.
Superman flash through. You got to help
We're gonna get this.
All right.
I'm.
Hit the ground here. You go over here. We do the old, marine thing through the tires. Always wanted to try this. It's a lot of fun. You can pick up, all right? We'll open the gate, and we'll run all the way to the back of the property. Now the only hitch is, along the way, we're going to have some special things going on, and you'll find that out when you get there. There'll be a few
Mommy,
special
do
things,
it.
and I need some special adult volunteers to help you. I'll volunteer. Very good. All right, I'll be with you.
Mommy,
in a second.
she can do
All the
it.
way to the back, there's a rope hanging from a branch. Again, you got two people on a team. If you can make it up to the branch, great. You go down. If your buddy can't, you help him make it up to the branch.
That's what it does
On the way
We were
back,
gonna do it.
now hang on. This is important. This is the most important part. You can't finish the race until you come back here and you got to throw your cow chip right through that tire. Then you know you're done. Now you might wonder where you're going to find a cow chip. The field's full of them back there.
Cow chip.
That's what a cow chip looks like.
Well, we know where your
So
mind's
back
at.
without a
I thought
cow
that's what he
chip.
said too. I was like, I got one up for you, in case you don't know.
Any questions?
He does. That's what he said.
No. Am I getting ahead of anybody here? what do you think? Be your assistant for your back work? Yeah, everybody there.
Oh, look, he's tying the ladders up there. He's gonna fall off. It's like a little piece of thread, too.
Crazy to do this. We need to make teams.
Chip. Go through the tire or something up here.
Anybody?
Your sister did.
I don't know where the. Go up there. Just go up there like you want to participate, and then they'll partner you up.
Yeah, and then you walk, and then you watch what everybody else is doing. Just do that. I got it. I'll be right back.
Go.
No. She's the only one that can do it.
I'm going to eat.
You know how that always happens. I didn't get back there.
Look at that guy.
I might have to check it.
He's doing it.
I know, dude. Most people can't. I don't have any upper body.
He's practicing to make sure it's safe for everybody else.
Remember her trying to get up the thing in the Bahamas and Tyler had a picture of it. I can.
So show of hands for people that really want to do it. Taylor.
Raise your hand.
All right, now.
Noah,
No, raise your hand.
go up there and raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
They'll partner you up.
Yeah, I'm gonna raise your hand for you.
Dude, if everyone move out of the way, I can.
Go up there because there's people who don't have partners.
See somebody needs a partner.
Okay, the two young ladies.
The what?
I'm gonna watch how to do it.
Teammate.
Which way it's going?
Well, you can go get in line.
Go get in line, man.
All right, move closer with me, because I can't like all the people. I get people to play.
Okay.
can't do monkey bars. I never climbed
Do
on
that.
one.
Help your buddy out.
So I'm not doing that.
Okay. All right. We'll do Bob can help. All right. Go ahead. Pick the name for you. Just give Val your name. Okay. You already know your names. Okay. All right. All right. Great. Okay. All right. Go ahead. You know the deal.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
Anybody else? All right. Okay. Bring it on. How much room we got there? Oh yeah, we're great. That's a 410 trailer. Okay, you guys. All right. Great.
Can you clap? Can you do one?
Anybody else?
Can you do one?
You guys? Okay. All right. Very good. John, you doing good. Okay. Let's go. Let's get it. Just figure out something. Yeah, as each team comes through, just, you can hide in the ditch and jump out and score.
Today.
I want to try to do it.
We're following
The Crocs aren't really the right footwear. Way to walk.
Oh, my cow patty. All right, there you go.
Why is there food in here?
Come on.
Why is it?
Heavy.
Just go out there somewhere maybe.
Yeah, there's a little mode path that goes from here and goes all the way to the back.
Okay.
Just make them hop around on one leg.
Yeah, hop around on one leg, anything. Just,
You're gonna wait until all these. I can't really time,
every 30 seconds,
Okay.
we'll cut another one there.
Okay.
And you write down their time as you cut them loose.
Okay. All right.
And then when they come back in,
Okay. All right.
and I think if we cut them loose every 30 seconds, we'll have them all out before anybody comes back.
Okay. All right.
Kids are made on two.
Well, no, wait a minute. Maybe we ought to let's go a full minute. You know why? Because otherwise we're going to get backed up at the room.
Okay. All right.
All right, we'll go a full minute in between. Okay, is that it for this madness?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll put some on it when I get home.
I want to do that. I think they already got it. See, you should have been upstairs. Oh, they got it from
Huh? No, don't scare the chickens.
You're scaring the kids.
They're scaring the kids.
Yeah, they've been hiding in the bushes.
I used to. Yeah, Caitlin, when you get the game for sure, and then
They're setting up the obstacles so they stop the kids every so often and make them do things like sit-ups and push-ups and
Oh,
whatever,
okay,
all
okay.
the way down to the end. And
Cool.
one guy, the guy's like, just hide in the bush and jump out and scare them as they go by.
But as the night goes, make sure. And I've got another cassette in the car if you need it. But as the night goes, just kind of get some people and just kind of walk up and be your just charming, beautiful self.
Okay.
I am so grateful.
I'm gonna do that. Personally. Who's your dad?
Who?
Chicken running.
Whoa. Who?
Right there.
Who's my dad?
That ladder's way too close.
Ooh, there's Take them. Take them.
Hold on.
Go, man, go. Ready? Gotcha. Okay.
And then through the gate. One foot in each, like this. Like this. Over there where the tree is. Do that? There you go. There you go. That's the way. Wow, very good.
Did you get that on tape, Caitlin?
Come on, Sophie. You're not doing it? Right here. Oh God! No! Okay, jump down.
And then the gate. Hey, you missed one.
Somebody coming in, Val. They got the cow chips, they got everything.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Wait, where's that rope? Down by the tree?
Didn't realize it, but apparently it's still lit. Like 2 hours later, that showed up. I had like a crazy eye out there. Yeah.
My hand hurts.
Run!
I'll do it. Wait, is that the
Have to stop
to zoom in and zoom out?
I don't want to look at the camera. I like the camera.
Like, future.
Let's go videotape the pony over there. I feel bad for it.
He's calling us. Come on. Let's go videotape the pony. Come on.
Fine, we'll go videotape the pony.
End of the race.
Apparently.
Look at, they gave him gloves.
We skipped a couple.
Zoom in and zoom out.
This is so weird.
You guys take turns, and that way your friends won't forget.
I'm not in the race.
Oh wow, this
Not in
thing.
the race.
Oh, they're not?
I'm not in the race.
I can't find them. Oh my like neck and everything. Oh my god, I'm the worst videotaper in the world. Oh, look at that chicken. Hurts your arm.
She said her thumb is tired.
Her thumb.
Just being angled in the same position.
Okay. Where is the trail? Where's the horsey? Horsey? Where?
Teammates still gotta come in though. But it's kind of, yeah. Is that all right?
Come on, I can't put the time down. Run, run, run. Come to me.
That's overrated.
How'd you do with the race?
Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Okay.
That's powerful. Here.
Hi, Allie. Allie. Allie, over here. Allie. Allie. Hi, Allie. Look at the pony. Oh boy. Okay, whoopsies. Hi, horsey. Yeah. Award ceremony.
I wipe mine on the
It's the same for anyway.
Yeah. All right. Val says that tree's all full of stuff for the kids hanging in there. Knock yourself out. See what's in there. And, can I have some water pistols here to give away? That's all right. Water pistols. That's a bullet fine.
Look at that chicken.
But why does that? Caitlin, go try what's in that one that you can see the teeth with the yellow top. Why? Because I want to taste that grape.
It's not that it's harder, but it takes about 6 months to restore a lot of eyesight because you're having to have every nerve. It's some amazing stuff. And they don't call it miracles or anything. They just say you're rebalancing and realigning your everything.
Say hi.
Out there at that chicken house.
Hi.
I'm not carrying you. What if there's a snake out here? I'm gonna flip a crap. Recording you.
Go away.
Stop it, Noah.
Hi, chicken. Come on, chickens, over here. Help! Oh my God! Get away! Come on, there. I'm gonna chase you. Hey, chickies! Steph! Steph!
Causing trouble.
Look at all the chickens. Okay, let's go give them the bucket. Yeah. Here.
Hold on, can I get some like while they're still in there?
Eggs. Eggs. Can we have some eggs?
From the pretty chickens.
Do you help? Let's go on the other side. What about these chickens? Okay, just don't touch the big chickens. Ooh. I saw somebody.
Oh my goodness.
Ew, look at his egg thing.
His egg thing. Why is it dark? Oh.
Oh, that's why I was working. The cat thing was on.
Oh, you retard.
Hi, horsey. You're so cute. I love you. Oh, this is taping on. Yeah, then I'm getting. Where is he?
In the truck?
Oh, cute. I don't think he's gonna eat that dummy. Horsey! Look at the watermelon thing right there.
Look at the chicken.
Oh, I should get that. God, he does something funny. And where's the chicken at? Chicken. We are on a tour chasing a chicken. Chicken. Babe, this is so exhausting. And
So she could get up on the porch and get away.
Look, her toenails are red all left.
oh, great. We were just over here. It's not that exciting.
We're up here, so if they think they're gonna let the kids get the eggs, then they're out of it. Who wants to hang out around with a bunch of chickens, picking chickens?
Do I count as a child?
Yes, go.
I'm not going.
Go over there with Mark, so you can video.
I'm videoing. We saw it. We got all the footage ahead of time for that.
People back.
I got it.
Around on the field, and as they move around, the food they eat goes through them and helps fertilize the field. And they also are
Hey,
free to eat
chickens. There's a lot of you.
what they eat does not get absorbed, so it comes back out in the exact ratio that's needed in the soil. And the nitrogen that comes out of chickens doesn't wash away when it rains. It stays in the soil, so they're like very valuable, great ways to fertilize the soil. So now what we're going to do though is I want these kids, any adults who want, you can come closer now. We're going to see where the eggs actually come from.
We already got the egg. Hi, horsey. Where's she going?
You should go get her that watermelon run.
Go get that watermelon. Don't walk behind the horse unless it knows you're there. Does it kick you?
Stand behind me, just might. You always want to be in the front side.
Oh, that would hurt, huh?
Yeah, that would hurt.
Hey, horse.
That's
But
all one of the
then we
above
go
the
away as soon as
influences
stop hurting.
commercials or whatever.
Hey. Oh yeah, I remember. They like pull his tail and he kicks him. And then the other person does
It
it.
didn't take because my camera died. Try it again.
Wow, all the chickens went over there. That's okay. He likes the grass. The grass is good fun.
I don't have anything.
Hi. I can
I
pet you
can't eat
though.
my camera. Can you see?
Here.
I have some.
That'd be funny.
Here's the other.
I felt his tooth. Whoops. Soft? Here, give her a couple.
That's disgusting. I don't know, it just feels
Make
weird.
your hands wet. Look at your fingers.
It doesn't hurt. They just use their lips.
Can I use it?
They just use their lips.
It feels good like that.
Look at the horsies, they want some. Here. Can I have some?
I'm in love with this.
Horsies, I got some food for you. I'm kind of scared right now. Horsey, look it. Yummy. Yummy, it's good stuff. Just try it. Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Please. Oh my god.
What's that?
Don't hurt me. Don't take it, you little horse.
I don't want them. Just
Let me have a couple.
I wish he was mine. I could ride him all over. Or her. I don't know.
It's a girl.
Hey, you're
Or
taping
no, it's a
and you're
guy.
right there.
I know.
We won't maybe always do the obstacle course, but there's actually a lot of things more we have to do that we're just not going to get to. So we really have no shortage of ideas. But anyway, so expect your emails. If you've never been on my email list yet and you have no idea about what the CSA is about at all, go to planetorganicCSA.com, the website, and that really will give you a great amount of details and overview about this. And as I said, from after today, I mean, make sure everybody you're on my email list, and I won't send out any other emails but the White Rabbit. Some people didn't like some of my little things, so I'll keep it strictly White Rabbit. Except, you know, for talk.
Hey, chickens!
John Harrington right there is the long sleeve shirt on. Yes, he's going to be giving a talk next Saturday. No, 2 weeks. On July 12th at his church, the Seventh-day Adventist in Vero Beach, about why, you tell me. It's called Man is Made of Mud. And it's just about why
we should live in the country and grow our own food.
yeah. Why we should get back to nature and how, the biblical references that go with it. If anyone has any interest, he's going to give that kind of a talk. And then on the following day, June 13th, he's going to do a talk where he is going to give the pros and cons of all the different ways you can fuel your vehicles, your lawnmowers, your generators, and what the pros and cons are, and what it would cost to convert them, and how available those choices are, and what's easy and what's hard, and you know the whole thing. And he wants input on that. If anybody has any mechanical knowledge, you know, to create these things. And he also is going to be talking about solar-powered water distillers, drinking water distillers, refrigerators, air conditioners, and okay.
Come on, John.
So I'll let you know about that. And then also next Sunday, July 6th, there's a movie, King Corn, being shown at the Unitarian Universalist Church at 7:30, and I'm going to be the facilitator, you know, just encouraging questions and directing the conversation, and that's a very interesting, informative movie about what's happening with corn and how prevalent corn is in everything now. It is, you know, a labeled insecticide. It is not labeled a vegetable anymore. It is actually an insecticide. It is not organic. And you wouldn't believe the food chain of how it is in everything. So if you've never seen that film, it's free. You know, you can come there next Sunday night, July 6th, 7:30. But besides all of those things, I'll email you the details about what to expect next on this CSA. So thank you so much for coming.
Anybody that hurts me.
My pleasure. And I have a vision for why we're doing all this too. I really believe food is going to be a very big problem, and we might be the fortunate ones who have already prepared for that kind of a situation. And we've got our gardens planted, and the rest of the world is just rambling. There really is. So this is important. It's going to be.
I just want you to know, it's not that I'm technologically challenged, it's just that I don't have time. I haven't had time to read the directions.
Oh.
Now, who should I give my apple cord to? The pig or the chicken?
We'll be here for sure.
Oh, okay, excellent. Wow.
Yeah.
I thought you weren't expected for a little bit longer.
Well, if there was a strong wind blowing north, so or blowing east, so it blew us back
Get
from
done what you
Louisiana.
wanted to do here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a bomb.
So you
We went with them to help pick them up, but they were all buddies.
Well, then get some pictures. Hello, little fellas.
It was hysterical. Dale and I were laughing at it. Hey, piggies!
you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's all right. I think I got it off. I usually disconnect that. I got that water bill. Kodak moment over there at the behind the store. I was looking out there. There's two sandhill cranes out there, and one of my sheep. I couldn't tell which one. Back in a little bit. Real curious about it. And the sheep's going after the sandhill cranes.
Ah.
And they're
Look at this dirt after.
I know, that's what I was saying. Yeah, take pictures of that. Like, so take the field of grass.
I got this before. I got some befores, and plus we got like unlimited befores.
That one
Oh yeah, huh? Whoa.
Well, I don't
Way
know.
to be efficient.
The thing is, the chickens will find that seed though if it's not.
Oh, right.
I don't know. I could figure out how to really get it down where they can. Okay, if I could get somebody basically to just tell me when to stop, and that back into the pen gets right there.
Okay.
I'll stand right here and...
No, you can't stand there. You'll block me. I'll tell you. Or you stand back here, Mark. That will mark it. Look at the chickens over here in the water. Does this record voice too?
Yep. Everything you say
Really?
is being documented. Yep.
Seriously?
Yep.
I should bring this to me with my meeting then if you're not going to be there.
Okay, absolutely.
I brought my tape recorder, but we can take the voice off though, right?
Well, yeah, ultimately. We'll still. Okay, you got 11 minutes left on this tape. I wish I would have brought the other one. I got another. Well, we can stop at Target.
Yeah, or Office Depot. I mean Circuit City even. I want to go there. Did you get my email about the...
Yeah.
The
I didn't
cameras
understand
you said?
I didn't understand the PowerPoint thing. I mean, I think you can embed any video, but I don't think a camera. Anyway, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it when we're not being recorded.
Okay. All right, so you stand there.
Okay. Good to go, ready to launch?
Yeah, you got it.
Good to go? Oh, they like this.
Right there, stop.
Oh, sorry.
That was too fast.
Okay.
So that's it.
So this is 24 hours of...
all right, so this is the new grass. There they go. Eating. Yeah, they're already eating the grass.
Look, they're already and you could use a tiller to get it going.
Right.
This is amazing.
Yeah, isn't it?
Wait till
like
they
this
get over
yesterday.
about 70 pounds. Well, you can't have 8 of them in there then, but I mean, we've always remarked in the past how it's like exponential, how much more they pill when they get bigger. You know, because one will do that in just a little while when they're little, they can't flip side. You know, they're just not that big. You know, but you get a hog. I mean, what I call a real hog in there. You know, and they just shove that head.
So the obvious question, but this looked like this yesterday this time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, now we got to put some bananas. So happy.
You're gonna pick some?
Oh yeah, we got these. They had about 6 cases.
So you're here working full time now?
Well,
Helping?
I'll be here helping as much as he needs me.
So every day?
I'll be there if he needs it.
I got to figure out some way to measure ahead up there. Well, just 16 feet's what it is. I could measure from the front of the wagon ahead, or anything just to tell me 16 feet. That's all I need.
Flip out like a line.
Yeah.
Stakes with a line. Just flip the next one up, stick it in the ground.
I could take a 16-foot 2x4 and just you know what I mean, just set it at the front of the mower deck or something like that, and just lay it out so I can just pull ahead and then you know where you are. When we set these fence posts, I wanted to put them about 16 feet apart on the other tractor. I figured out one rotation of the bull wheel was 16 feet. So I stuck a magnet on the bull wheel, and so that you just, because I had a post pounder on the back, to pound in the post. So every time you just roll the tractor one rotation of the bull wheel, And then you throw a post in it. I can't measure all this stuff. What are you kidding me? Just roll in.
Roll it on, head.
Ryan, is this your idea or did you get this from somebody else?
I guess I've seen something about, you know, dragging pigs along. I'm certainly not the first one to do it. I mean, I don't remember where I've seen it, if you know what I mean.
And when did you build this? Just like recently? Did you just build this?
Yeah, we just, who was it? I can't remember. Was it just the other day?
Oh, really? Like a week ago?
Well, whenever I said I was going to build a pig pen that day.
Yeah, that's something about him. If he says he's going to build it, it miraculously appears.
The only hard part was the metal. I couldn't find any of this stuff. I didn't want to have to really frame in the roof, you know, because it had a bunch of weight. And this stuff will sort of span. I mean, it's a little floppy, but it's, you know, but the 5D isn't strong enough, you know, and so. But anyway, a buddy of mine had that laying around behind the house, so. I think we got about 150 bucks tied up in the whole thing.
Wow.
I think we got about 150 bucks. We figured out. The hog panel I had to buy, those were $16 a piece or $18 a piece or something at Tractor Supply. And I didn't have any 16-foot 4x4s or nice 2x4s around, so I had to buy the lumber. Just those two 4x4s or the four 2x4s. That was more than the hog panel.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's amazing what they're getting for that stuff.
Yeah, it got a little pricey. Let me get these guys.
Sammy, leave that close.
I know, I just want to look at the chickens and the eggs.
Oh, are there any in there?
So far I spotted 5 eggs.
Let's see.
Here's one of the eggs.
Where? Oh, yeah. Wait, move out of the way so I can. There it is.
Hey, we got an egg over here.
There's 2 eggs over there somewhere.
Somebody laid an egg.
Oh. Here, Sam, you want to give this to the pigs?
You got to figure out which chicken that is and explain to her she's supposed to go in the coop.
Right. Have a little talk with her.
It's like, look, you're in the wrong
Ryan?
spot.
Yes, sir.
Look what I found on the ground.
Hey, get them
Not
feeding.
in a coop or trapped in.
Yep. They're just the little ones are starting to lay. They haven't,
Figured it out, huh?
yeah, sometimes you find the odd egg around. I think it surprises you when all of a sudden there's egg coming out of their backside.
I know it would surprise me.
It would really, yeah, it would be.
Hello. Another one.
How you doing? How's it going? How's it going?
Oh, there was no pigs there. Oh.
How you doing? How's it going? Come on. I like getting them nice.
Do they all have names? Applesauce?
These nails are getting a little bent here right away, aren't they? But I guess it doesn't matter. They're just any little bit of something to keep them from coming out there. The one got out one day there. Big deal. Got you a chicken?
I know. And look, that roost's just not bothering me. See?
Yeah.
All those threats about him chasing the rooster. No.
He's a pretty friendly rooster.
There's another rooster over there. He's never chased me. And then there's another rooster over there. It's never chased me.
Well, I'm always trying to be real gentle with them so that, you know, they don't get excited.
I know. I
These
just
guys
found
are
a
pretty
chicken
awesome.
flopped down at the banana stand.
So that's what you do when you feed them stuff. You just interact with them to keep them tame and friendly. If somebody happens to stick their hands in it.
Right. Well, after a while, they were actually pretty good, even the day we had to have them.
I built a banana for the roosters.
Bill. Well, it's only got like a couple minutes left. Yeah, one more minute.
Good, because I also wanted to get this before anything happens here. Maybe we should just get that. What is there now? Like go closer. I already did that.
Okay.
Yeah, just to show what this is like now and what it's going to be. These rows.